All right, I'd like to show you two ways that you can pay your bill. Statements will typically come right around the first of every month, and the statement on the first of the month is for paying for lessons for that whole month. So the statement that you would get on, say, May 1st would be to pay for May lessons. So it's kind of like a prepay situation. So the first way that you can get, or you can get to your statement and pay your statement is just to go to your email. And I sent a example statement to my wife's email here. And so you'll see right here, it says Stichka Music Studio right here. Your invoice, that's what it's going to look like. You click that, you can go ahead and download it. You can open that PDF. And so you'll have some information over here, the date, the due date, what your balance is, what is due. And typically the due date is just going to be the first lesson of the month, the same day as the first lesson of the month. So right down here, I just like to, so here's the 5 lessons that show for Kyler this month, the time, the length, and the cost of the lesson. And then overdue balances will incur a 2% late fee each month they are unpaid. Please pay promptly. Thank you. Thank you for prioritizing music education for your family. So what I will say about that is that 2% late fee won't be accrued until you're a month past due. So say I didn't pay my May bill. I owed $100. Well, June 1st is when, like a month after your due date, is when you're a month past due is when that 2% fee would be added on. So that would be $2 added on June for a $100 balance not being paid. So you can really quickly just pay by going here. It says click here to pay online. When you click that, it'll take you right here, and you can either do credit card or PayPal. So we're just, for example, going to use credit card. Click continue. You fill in your information. Now, one thing I do want to show you is right here. Keep this credit card on file for future payments. You can check that. You can also check automatically pay emailed invoices, so like an auto payment setup. Some may want to do that. Others may want to kind of view the invoice to know exactly what they are paying. So that is totally up to your discretion if you want to use that or not. Definitely keeping the card on file could probably save you some time going forward. And then you fill out your information, click pay now. So that is the first way. The second way you can pay, I'll show you, is if you just go to our website, StichkaMusicStudio.com. And then you're going to go ahead and log in here. So you would log in like you normally would. This will probably just take us right into Mindy's account. She's got her credentials saved. Okay. So another way that you can pay your bill is if you go to account and invoices. Here it shows, if we go to invoices here, there we go, invoices. So I have this invoice for 5 May lessons that is due. Now, if I go back to account and I click make payment, it will take me to the same screen that I was at before, where I have my amount due. So that is another way you can get to the same spot to pay your bill. For face-to-face lessons, when we are able to safely meet again and have lessons in the studio, basically every form of payment is taken, cash, check, credit, debit online, and credit and debit at my physical music studio with a card reader and a chip reader that is attached to a mobile device. So really any way to pay. The one way that I cannot take payments for business transactions is through Venmo. So not able to do that. I wish I could, but I'm not able lawfully to do that. So if you have any questions about paying your bill, please don't hesitate to reach out, and I will assist you with whatever you need. Thanks.